Gavin, this is in response to your challenge. Not just water and ice, but fire and ice.
Whoa, Scout. What is this, Scout?
Oh, whoa.
Woohoo! Oh God! Oh God! Woo!
Holy cow.
Wow! Look at that girl.
And Harry.
Scout, what is wrong with these people?
There we go.
Yay! St. Hours. Woo! Woo! Woo!
How do I put this out?
How do I put it out?
You don't put it out. That's the beauty of it.
Yay! Look at those people.
We did it.
That's wonderful.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Well, girls,
Remember to press start. Let's see, do I have the phone?
why don't you jump in?
Woo!
Wow! Look at her go. Debbie, you're my hero.
My hero too.
Okay, Gav, we've answered your challenge.